Dear students, let us see some of the online bits from steam turbines. Those are impulse turbines. Let us see one by one. Which of the following does not represent internal cross in turbine? The answer is back pressure loss. Here you can refer one by one. I am scrolling one by one. You see the third one. The purpose of reheating of steam in a turbine is to increase the work done through the turbine. The fourth one, what is the effect of bleeding? You can check the answer. You can see one by one, where dark color indicates the answers. Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You can refer 14th. Rita steam turbine is pressure compounded impulse steam turbine. And Curtis turbine is the velocity compounded impulse turbine. These two are the very important online bits. And also you can refer remaining 18, 19. Okay, now check the 23. Steam rate of the steam turbine is expressed as kg per kilowatt hour. This is also called as specific steam consumption. And 25th, D-level turbine is simple single wheel impulse turbine. It's an important one. Check 30th. What is the shaft speed of a D-level turbine? It's about 20,000 rpm. Stage efficiency of steam turbine is equal to nozzle efficiency into blade efficiency. It's important. 35 also similar one. 37th degree of reaction. It's important. Delta Hm by delta Hm plus delta Hf. 38th also important. Maximum blade efficiency is a cos alpha by 2 axial thrust m into cf1 minus cf2. Sometimes it may be vf1 minus vf2. And also blade or diagram efficiency 2 into cbl cw1 plus cw2 by c1 square. Sometimes the c denoted by v, that is 2 into u into vw1 plus vw2 by v1 square, like that. T1 also important. Per wheel velocity axial discharge is 0. You can check the remaining. Here check all the bits. Once check the 47. High moisture content in the last stage of turbine results in erosion of blades. Okay, it's an important bit. Up to 58 it covers the unit 3. Now from unit 180 it comes under unit 1. Check 182. If sense of Carnot cycle is higher than Rankine efficiency, because Carnot cycle is the theoretical cycle or assumption cycle, 100% efficiency cycle, so it's always higher. 183 also important. Regenerative is more efficiency than Rankine cycle. Rankine cycle efficiency is the range between 35 to 45 percentage. 191. If you want to increase the efficiency or to add more heaters, feed water heaters. 193. The Rankine cycle is the main cycle in thermal power plant. As you know, there are four processes in the Rankine cycle. You know, right? Four components also. 199 on circuit. Steam engine works on the basis of modified Rankine cycle. So these all are the important bits. Okay, let's go through this. Okay, this is the online bits. This is covers unit 1 and unit 3. Okay, thank you.